Surprising ways to use honey for wounds, skin, cough and more. Honey can be used as a remedy in several ways. It can help you fight multiple issues naturally. Here are some unusual ways to use honey for better health. Honey is commonly used to add a sweet flavor to different foods and drinks. This natural sweetener offers some amazing health benefits too. Honey can be added to different foods and drink, adding to their nutritional value. Honey is loaded with antioxidants and antibacterial properties. It also leaves a soothing effect on your digestive system, mind and body. Not many are aware of the multiple uses of honey. It can be used in several ways that can promote your overall health. Here are some unusual ways to use honey for different purposes. 1. Cough. Honey can help you reduce cough. It can also help you fight sore throat. You can take a few drops of ginger juice and mix it with a tablespoon of honey. You can take this concoction before bed for a few days. 2. For wounds. The antibacterial and antifungal properties of honey assists in wound healing. Studies also suggest that honey can be applied on wounds to promote healing. But you should not depend on honey for treatment. See your doctor first for right treatment. 3. For skin. Honey can help you boost skin health too. It acts as a natural moisturizer and also helps reduce acne. You can prepare homemade masks and scrubs with the help of honey. 4. For better sleep. Adding honey to diet promotes better sleep as it leaves a soothing effect on your mind and body. You can add honey to warm milk and drink this before bed. 5. For lips. Honey can be used as a remedy for chapped lips. It can help you ensure soft lips. Simply take some pure honey and apply it on your lips as a mask. You can also prepare your own honey lip scrub. High quality honey contains rich in antioxidant. It can reduce risk of heart attack, strokes, some type of cancer and also reduce eye diseases. Honey is less bad than compared to sugar for diabetes patient. It can help to reduce lower blood pressure. Blood pressure is most important risk factor for heart patient and honey may reduce the blood pressure. Make sure to use high quality brand because some low quality brand mix with syrup. Keep in mind, honey only consumed low quantity. It's still high calories and sugar. Stir honey in cup of water, milk or tea. Honey with lemon is best for fever and cold. Honey with clove best for toothache. Honey with ginger is used for prevent sore stomach.